Good morning, guys. How are you guys doing? So today's Tuesday and it's almost 10. I just took my bath and I don't know what to eat for breakfast because I don't feel like eating and I need to eat and take my medicine. I told you in my last 2-3 vlogs that I haven't been feeling well, and I even showed you guys the scan results I took. So yeah, I left school like Tuesday. I came home. I need to rest, guys, because like the pain is too much, and I'm going to take my time to explain to you guys everything. Like I want to explain to you guys, but not now. When I feel like explain to you guys, I'll let you guys know. But yeah, I'm not doing anything today. I'm just going to rest. I need rest. I'm going to rest, and God willing, Wednesday or Thursday I'll be in school. Yeah, God willing, hopefully, fingers crossed, because the pain is too much. I can't. So yeah, I told my friend I need a wood phone case. I'll put it on the screen. Those don't know. I know most of my girlies know too. The guys who don't know, I'll put the picture on the screen so you guys know the phone screen I'm talking about. So she just sent me a message that the rider will call me very soon, and I'm happy. I love it so much. So yeah, if the rider call me, I'll let you guys know and I'll show you guys the phone case. So yeah, that's it. And if anything, I'll just pick the camera and I'll talk to you guys. Okay, bye. So guys, I just received the package. So yeah, let's go and see what's inside. So let's go. So guys, I just went for the package and let me show you guys. Okay, so here is it. Oh, it's pink. It's pink, guys. So for the 15. Yeah, this one. It's so beautiful. You guys see. I love it. I love it. So I own a real phone case now, and there is the gloss. So we are going to try it. Let's see how. Oh, I like it. And the applicator is so beautiful. Look. And this is the color. You see? Yeah. I like it. Thank you so much, girl. I love you so much. So yeah, I'm going to put it on the phone and see how it looks. Yeah. So guys, it's almost it's almost 12 and we got watching. I don't think I can finish all that. So we have egg, we have sausage, we have salad, we have macaroni. So I'm about to dig in and I'll take my medicine, and if anything I'll just talk to you guys later. Okay, bye. You guys should take care of yourself. Bye. So guys, this is the phone case. I just put it on. I love it so much. So yeah, it looks pretty. So yeah, I'll catch you guys later. So guys, it's evening already and I just took my bath. I did my skincare and I put on this face mask. So I'm about to chill for the night, and you are going to continue the vlog tomorrow. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Yeah, and you are going to continue the vlog tomorrow. So yeah, I want to say good night to you guys, because why not? I love you guys so much. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night, guys. Hello guys, how are you guys doing? I miss you guys so much. Today is Friday and it is 2:40 2:40. And I ghosted you guys. I spoke to you guys on Tuesday. Yes, I spoke to you guys on Tuesday. So Tuesday I didn't do anything. I just talked to you guys. I went for the phone case and I came back. So when I came to eat. I showed you guys the food also. And what again? I was craving was yam with garden stew. I also showed you guys like some of the clips of me preparing the stew. And yeah, when I was done eating, I couldn't eat much of it. And well, that was Tuesday. Wednesday, I didn't do anything. I was just in bed. And yesterday the leftover stew, I prepared yam and I prepared rice also. So those wanted to eat the stew with the yam. So me, I ate the yam. I ate the yam, and today is Friday, and I have pain like menstrual cramps. It's really bad. So yeah, I'm just chilling in the house. I prepared some tea. I don't know, like I don't feel like eating these days. I don't know what's happening to me, but yeah. So I prepared tea with I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah. I'm hungry too, but I don't know what to eat. So I just want to take something warm, and yeah. So let's see how the day goes today. But the real thing is that I don't know what to do today. Like today has been homebody. I'm just in the house doing nothing. So yeah, and I have exam on first next month. So yeah, they are coming to prepare. We need first class. So yeah, I'm just chilling in the house today for today. Yeah, and you are going to see if anything. I'll just show you guys if anything. Yeah, if anything, I'll just show you guys. I'll be posting tomorrow. Yeah, I have a vlog to post. I'll just schedule it for tomorrow. That's Sunday, but one of my videos have copyright, so I have to just replace that. So we don't want any copyright this time around, because I don't want my channel to be like the way it used to be. So if you're in a copyright, although that copyright won't affect my channel, it won't affect the videos, but I don't want to risk it. So I just have to just replace that sound or that music. So yeah, let's see how the day goes, and I'll catch you guys later. And yeah, so in this vlog you guys are going to watch tomorrow, I didn't do too much talking in it. So yeah, I just put some words on the screen so you guys should relate on that. You see that, and yeah, and let's see how the day goes. I'll catch you guys later. Bye. Good evening, guys. So I told you I'll come and talk to you guys if anything. So I prepared stew, and I wanted to eat the stew with rice. And the funny thing is, right now I don't want to eat the rice anymore, and the stew is there, and I'm hungry. I'm fucking hungry, and I don't know what to do. I don't know if I should call so that they'll get me kinky and I'll eat it with it. I don't know, and I'm hungry since morning. After I took the tea, I took some nap, and I wake up and I did the stew. So right now, I don't know what to do. I fucking don't know what to do. I don't know if I should call so that they get me kinky. I don't know. We are going to figure out something. So sorry guys. So we are going to figure out what to eat, and let me show you guys the stew first, okay? Guys, how are you guys doing? So today is Saturday, and it is 10:01. So I just woke up. I didn't sleep up yesterday because you can see that my under eye is swollen. So yeah, yesterday I didn't eat the kinky. and I took calipo and biscuit. Yeah, before going to bed yesterday. So I'm about to get to the shower. I want to take my bath and I'll do my skincare and I'll prepare some breakfast. Yeah, breakfast. So I don't know if I should take you guys along with me so that we do all the skincare together, or you guys already know my skincare, so I don't have to do much. So yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Bye. This week vlog has been here in the bar. We catch you guys. So yeah, I'll catch you guys later in my next clip. Not next video, next clip. So yeah, I love you guys so much. Comment down below how your morning is going. Yeah, bye. Hello guys, how are you guys doing? I miss you guys so much. I've been ghosting you guys, but I'm sorry. I told you guys I'm not feeling well and I'm getting better, thanks to Almighty God. So it is 2:20. Yeah, it is 2:20 right now. Yesterday was kind of slow. You guys see me? Yesterday was kind of slow, so I was just chilling in the house. It has been raining this morning, and yeah, so I took my bath, I did my breakfast. I don't want to show you guys all of that because you guys already know what I'll eat for breakfast. You guys already know my skincare routine. I don't have to show you guys too much again, otherwise it will be boring for some of you guys. So yeah, today is also kind of boring. I don't have anything to do today too, but the leftover stew I prepared the other time, I'll prepare rice today and I'm going to eat the rice with the stew because it is good. So why not? And I'm going to eat the rice today. Yes, I'm going to eat it. The other day I prepared it, but I couldn't eat. No, I didn't prepare. I wanted to, but I didn't. So yeah, I'm going to prepare that, and I'll show you guys the food. So I'm trying to edit the vlogs for next week. I've already posted for yesterday. Today is Sunday and it is 2, almost 3. So I'm going to prepare the rice. Maybe like when it's maybe 5, 6, I'm going to prepare the rice and I'll show you guys the food. So yeah, and I'm trying to edit the vlog for next week. Yeah, I'm trying to just add some of the clips and I'll start editing it. I'm definitely going to add this one to it, and we are going to post next week Saturday. I don't want to be missing out these days. I want to be consistent with YouTube. Do you understand? Yeah, so please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for the support. I really appreciate it. I love you guys so much. I always say this, I love you guys so much. So please, when you watch, please comment, and I will know you guys are watching. I know you guys are. Do you understand? I know I have some fine ladies, some fine gentlemen in the house. I love you guys so much. I love you guys. And those who have been saying you guys should do till you have to make your videos long, it's too short. I'm trying. Do you understand? I'm trying. So yeah, that'll be all for today, Sunday, and I'll catch you guys if anything. Do you understand? Yeah, I love you guys so much. Bye. So it is 6:41 in the evening. So yeah, we are going to the mall to get some few things, and let me show you guys my outfit. I'm wearing this dress. So yeah, my ride is almost here, so I'll catch you guys if anything. Okay, bye. Hello guys, so I just came back from the mall. There was a lot of people there. I was even tired, and the queue was crazy. So I left the house around 6:41 or 42, and it's now 8:34. I just got back. I just put the things in the fridge. I forgot to even show you guys the things I got. I got what? Let me just go to the fridge and show you guys the things I got. So yeah, let's go. So guys, I got this drink, and I also got panache. I got 3 panache. I also got sausages. I got this cocktail. Got fries. Yeah, I got spring roll too. And I also got chicken nuggets. So hello baby, so we are ending the vlog here today, and we are going to start a new vlog today, and we are about to start to edit this vlog right here today. So yeah, I'm going to start a new vlog today, Monday. We are going to start editing today, this vlog today. Yeah, so yeah, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for hanging around with me. I love you guys so much. So the content is going to be back to back. So yeah, without further ado, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay safe. Bye.